Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can save your work on Trello. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to trello.com. On the homepage. Log into your account. If you already have one, click on the Login button at the top right. If not, take a moment to sign up so you can follow along. You can log in with your email and password, or simply use your Google account for quicker access. Once logged in, head over to the Boards section under your workspaces. Here, you'll find all your projects. Choose the board you want to save and open it. This will display all your lists and cards in the familiar Trello layout. Now, to export your board data, look at the top right corner of your board and click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Print, Export, and Share. This menu provides options to back up or share your board's content. You'll see two main export options. Export as CSV ideal if you want a backup file that can be opened in Excel or other spreadsheet software for analysis. Export as JSON useful if you prefer a developer-friendly format for data structuring and integration with other applications. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Trello work by exporting it as a CSV or JSON file. This ensures that your important project data is always backed up and easily accessible. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.